Hi, my name is Mindy Maud, and I am doing the virtual reality video. So virtual reality uses closed headsets that place the user in a virtual world where they can simply watch what's happening. So you have a headset and they're completely blocked out or closed off, and then you're having two different images going to each side, and then your brain kind of does the rest. What they're trying to do is make a really immersive experience so that you feel like you are in whatever it is. The most popular use for VR right now is, of course, gaming. Our textbooks tell us that 155 million people played video games this last year. And it said 42% of Americans play video games for more than 3 hours a week. So it's incredibly popular. But the VR community and technology really wants to branch out. It started out at just Oculus a few years ago, and now it's branched out to Samsung, Microsoft, Google, and Sony, and probably many, many more. The issues that people run into it are, number one, latency. Sometimes it can make you motion sick. They call this cyber sickness. But as the technology grows and the latency will improve, and there won't be a delay in what you're seeing, and it won't make you sick, which obviously will take you right out of it if it does. The other issue is cost, which is something we talked about in another assignment we did this week. The average cost is about $600, which isn't affordable to most people. They don't have $600 to spend on a headset unless they're really invested in like gaming or have a higher income. We talked about it earlier, but Google came out with the $15 cardboard that you just put your phone into, which is kind of an option for people that might not be able to afford the full thing. In the future, I think they want to make it so it can be found anywhere, which is a video that I was watching. They want it to be there for people in hospitals that are feeling really intense pain. They want it to be there in school so people can learn things and be able to, even if they're not like at the airplane, they can still fly the airplane, things like that. They just really want it to be found anywhere. The sources that I used for this video are, of course, our textbook, and then I watched two videos that I found interesting. The first is the Virtual Reality Engineer Explains One Concept in 5 Levels of Difficulty. That was on Wired on YouTube. And the second is How the Heck Does Virtual Reality Work? Reality Check. Thank you for watching this awkward video.